This is why, when you start paying mortgage, you're gonna be shocked. These days, we know how much we pay as a repayment, but we never understand how this interest actually works. Most of the time, when you buy a house, you borrow money from the bank or other lenders, and because you borrow money from them, they charge you interest. Interest can be like 5%, 6%. So if a broker or the banker shows you, hey, this is your monthly repayment, that actually includes your principal and interest. You're paying both of them at the same time. At the start, your loan balance is 300K. Your interest, 5%, it goes on 300K, and later, when you owe only 100K, then that 5% interest will apply on that 100K. So you might wonder, hey, if I just pay principal first, then I don't need to pay that much of interest, right? Unfortunately, we can't choose that rate. In the beginning, you pay this much of interest and this much of principal, and then you pay. The ratio becomes almost like 50-50, and that's gonna be like after 15 years. Then the ratio will be goes like this, so less on your interest and more on your principal. So for example, on your year 1, you have loan balance of 300K. The interest portion will be $14,900, and the principal will be only $4,425. However, if you look at your last year of loan repayments, you will only have loan size of $14,800, and that your interest will be only $680, and your principal is $18,645. And there are some ways you can actually reduce your principal. You can do extra repayments, you can do offset account, or you can do extra lump sum repayments. And some people, they choose to pay every fortnight rather than once a month.
For finance knowledge, subscribe to Investoon, like the video and press the bell icon for more updates.